Withdrawing money from your Netflix account after an account review can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Netflix account by visiting the Netflix website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to sign in. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on it, then select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Review account status. In the account settings, check for any notifications or messages regarding your account review. Ensure that your account is in good standing and eligible for withdrawal. Step 4. Select payment options. Scroll down to the membership and billing section. Here, you will find options related to your payment methods. Click on Manage Payment Options to see your current payment details. Step 5. Initiate withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation of your withdrawal. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for assistance.